Learning English can significantly improve your life for many reasons. English is the universal language. It's in over 100 countries and one more than 1 billion websites. English can help you make friends worldwide. 1 out of 5 people in the world can understand English. Most importantly, English enables you to get a better job. However, there are lots of people saying, I tried learning English several times, but it didn't work out. Day by day, again and again, they just talk as much. They bluff themselves. They use us as an excuse not to conquer English with, with successful people. There is a difference between falling and being failure. Even if things don't work out, they still get up and try again. What about you? Stop making excuses. Don't define yourself by your results. Do what you can. Never give up. Life is too short and unpredictable. What are, what are you what are you waiting for? Live your dream.